Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I wanted to go over Paul Tudor Jones, who is a super rich trend follower. What he does is he started what is known as the Turtle Traders, which is a group of people who use trend following techniques on the stock market to earn millions, hundreds of millions of dollars. So guys, he is super rich from trend following methods and tactics and actually runs his own fund. So I actually wanted to go over the top 5 holdings that he has right now. Again, I'll also link below in the description where you can find all 25 of his holdings, but let's go through them right now. So again, number 1 is going to be ALXN Pharmaceuticals. So again, this has been trending up back since 2016, 2017. You can see here, and it's been doing really, really well. So again, you can see this is definitely a trend following approach. We don't know when he bought it, but we do know he currently owns, this is his highest holding of about 3.15%. So again, this is ALXN. You can kind of see that it's trending really well right now. So again, not only that, there is NUAN. Most of his ones are either communications or they are healthcare, or where most of them are right now is actually information technology. But anyways, looking at NAUN right now, it's trending very flat. Not much is happening with it. This is a communications company that's been doing really, really well since about 2020, and now we kind of hit that plateau and top. But again, there's more happening under the, what do you want to call it, under the rug with that. Anyway, so that is NUAN. The third stock is PPD, which is again another healthcare company. So again, we're seeing here with the same thing. We're having this same type of behavior where something happened and the underlying volume definitely rises, and then we see that huge up. So actually, if we want to get rid of it, we kind of see more in what's going on. But that's about it with PPD, which is healthcare as well. Anyways, let's get into more of his ETF holdings. So again, we have XLF, which is the financial sector holding. You can see here that it's been performing really, really well. And again, that makes sense because under a trend perspective, finance will perform very, very well during the upcoming bullish market. So again, back when we crashed in March 2018, what am I saying, 2020 for COVID, what happened was we had that huge dip, and then the first things to rise after that will always be the financial sector, especially given that a lot of payments are moving to a frictionless way where you can do all paperless, so that you no longer have to touch actual payments, which means PayPal, Stripe, and stuff like that are going to be doing amazingly well. And so that's again what we're seeing here. And so you can see XLF Finance is benefiting from that. It's a financial ETF, and so again you can see here that has been trending really well as well. Anyways, the next one is an industrial stock, NAV, Navstar International Corp. You can see here that it's been relatively neutral. And again, we're seeing this from all his stocks. And again, why? There's so many things you can wonder, but basically he's probably going for a buyout. He's probably going for something like that, where he's doing more of an acquisition type deal. But again, we're seeing a lot of trend following happening here. And so again, those are his top 5 stocks. Again, there are so many stocks. It ranges from information technology to finance to a lot of communication companies. So basically, what is he saying? I think he's saying that he's betting on the future being an environment where people aren't interacting face to face as much, because we're seeing a lot of finance plays, we're seeing a lot of IT plays, and we're seeing a lot of communication plays, and that's what we're starting to see here. So guys, if you want to learn more about trend following, I definitely recommend you follow this channel. We go over the top strategies for trend following, the top stocks that it works with, and so much more. So if you want to profit through trend following, which is basically finding a stock before it explodes, or learning how to get into a stock that is trending well, that's exactly what we do on this channel. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Please smash that subscribe button, and please leave a comment if you enjoyed. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.